What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And let me quickly turn on the right screen. But welcome back and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. And it's still not working. I'm not sure why. Now it is. Wanted to do a full update. I mean, obviously we've had a lot of volatility in the last 24 hours. Big drop yesterday, which in general, I mean, the thing is that obviously we had massive news. With the Ethereum ETF approval, or at least the 19B4A applications. So we had those made the market move a lot. That also made Bitcoin move quite a lot. So now on the short term, I would say that we are actually relatively bearish. All right, on the short term, I think long term we're still bullish. We still have a major support level, especially right here between 65,500 and 65,000. So I don't see any reason why that would not hold up. If you look at all the other numbers, such as the momentum that we've gained in practically the last 9 days or last 2 weeks, the volume with which we had these bullish moves, I don't see any reason why we would why we would turn bearish. I mean, what we talked about yesterday is obviously still true, all right, and that is that if you look at the daily time frame, we did hit the top of the range right here, and if you assume that this range is going to hold, so that's the range right here between 71,500 and then here at the bottom around 60,000. If you assume that that's going to hold, and that we're not going to see new all-time highs, which is a real possibility, then you also assume that from here, we might have some bullish moves, but that we will also start to drop back down to the bottom of the range around 61 and 60,000. So that's kind of what we have to see right now. I still think that we have a good chance to actually break above these the range high here, and that we can actually secure a new all-time high. I think in general the fundamentals are good enough for that. So then I'm talking about, for example, the macroeconomic situation in the US, but also what's going on politically there, and also just in general the fundamentals surrounding ETFs. I think those fundamentals could be enough to secure a new all-time high. But I do think we need some more confirmation, all right? And we'll talk about that in a short moment. First of all, I wanted to talk about the ETFs. If you look at the Bitcoin ETFs for the last, well, what is it, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days or so, we've had positive inflows. So that's all good. The last 2 days were relatively low if you compare it to the beginning of the week, but that's also normal, I would say. And we got some more outflows from Grayscale. So in general, I think that's still positive, but that leaves us with the fact that on the short term, we're getting some sort of, bearish confirmations. Drop down below 69,000, that's a bearish confirmation. Drop down below 68,000 with a 382 fib here, that's a bearish confirmation. And so far, even after hitting the support at 66,500, we've not been able to get some sort of a bullish reclaim. And then apart from that, we're also losing momentum here. I don't think this is the end of the world, because if you look at the CVD here, the CVD is actually relatively positive, I would say. The CVD for spot is actually up since the 20th of May, while the CVD for futures is down. So that means that we're getting more spot buyers into positions, which is always good. But no, short term, I don't look. What we need to do is either break above 68,000 or get a positive reaction from 65,500. And what I would say is most likely right now, since we are losing momentum and since we've only gotten bearish confirmations, is a drop into that level around 65,500. And then from there, what I think is still most likely, because overall I'm still bullish, is that from there we get a nice bullish touch, a breakout, and a rally back up to at least 70,000 again. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.